Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add the picture into the contact of your Xiaomi Mi 9. To do this operation, go to your phone here and go to the contacts. Now choose contact which you want, and now you can't set it if you have contact into your SIM card. So before you can import or export, check my others video to check it how it's doing. And for now we're gonna choose the contact from the local device like this, and now tap it on this person here, and of course you can take photo or choose photo from the gallery. Choice option whatever you wish. I'm gonna choose from the album, choice whatever picture which I have. You can manage it on the option which you want. Okay, and as you see, we have our new image into the contacts. It looks great, I think. So, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!